Okay, moving on to the pound dollar now. Having looked, having begun to look quite nice for a bounce after having the monthly TD buy setup complete. We had quite a bad finish to the week and basically wiped out everything that was made the previous 4 days, which is good for me. Going short here, and as I mentioned before, we did actually get a good failure of that 1.4752 level on the monthly. Um, I mentioned that level in the monthly analysis, and I think I've been talking about that level earlier on in the week. We had the low there 1.4785 and the high 1.4768 was the high, so we were sort of 52, sort of 16 pips above this level, and then we had a sort of a quick failure from there. Got that marked out on the chart there. You can see there was nothing really on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour we had a sort of failure again, no real count. We had a second sort of count there. 30-minute chart, same thing, nothing really doing. Um, and also on the 15-minute chart as well. So let's see, on the 5 minute, yeah, that's where the signal came on the 5 minute. So we didn't quite get high enough there, and then we did get above it, and then we closed back above it with a TDF bar straight away. Let's see, body size 15, possibly about 30 pips risk there on that one. Yeah, quite a good position there. Finished the week very bearish. So I mean, currently anyway, on this monthly, we've definitely failed that level, and we could just keep running now before we see any kind of bounce. And what I'm kind of looking for here, I like this candle how it's formed. It's quite a good one to have sort of in the middle of the TD buy setup here. So I think what we'll probably see now is this market heading lower, breaking through the 1.4231 level, and eventually forming a buy setup. That'll be, let's see, another 4 weeks. So that'll come just at the end of this week here, taking us into July. We'll form a buy setup here on the weekly. So I'm going to come out of this trade here at the TDST support, and anticipate that we'll hopefully see a bounce from there based on this monthly and weekly chart, and from there try to get involved again to the short side, and also look to try and go long as well down around that level if we can get the buy set up at the same time. So yeah, so I mean, bearish day on Friday, nothing quite confirmed yet. I think we still need to get down below the 1.4438 level on this daily chart to kind of confirm that we're going to be moving higher. Sorry, lower. But yeah, good finish to the week, and in fact, something I didn't actually spot, and it's a bit of a shame because I probably would have looked to take this one, but we actually did form an inside day on Thursday. I was looking at the Euro US dollar doing a bearish outside day, and didn't even twig on that this was going to be an inside day on pound dollar. And you can see, you know, really good breakout there. I think as well, I've not really checked on this. If anybody has any time, they possibly could, but maybe if you get an inside day the day before the NFP, then it could be a good pair to use as a breakout pair. Basically going into NFP. If you look at sort of maybe Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, pound yen, all these pairs, and let's just say only one of them has an inside day before the NFP, then I would say, like I say, I've not actually checked this out, but I would imagine that would probably be the one pair that you'd want to choose if you were looking to have a breakout when the NFP comes out. I would say. But as I say, I've not looked into it, but we can see here certainly anyway. Could just be a coincidence. I wouldn't have thought so though. But yeah, so this was a good inside day breakout trade here, which again I apologise for not even spotting, because the sort of pattern that we've had here, the sort of candles that we were getting. Still looking to get down to the 1.3844. Yeah, I think that would have been well worth taking. Yeah, so anyway, um, going into this week, just gonna keep an eye on getting down to this 1.3844 level. Haven't failed that monthly, 1.4752. So if anything develops on the daily chart, I'll be sure to keep you informed on what I'm going to try and do. Okay, cheers.